Hello and welcome to today's lesson on how to create a successful social media campaign. In this video, we're going to be covering the key elements that go into making a social media campaign that truly resonates with your audience and drives results. So whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just someone who's looking to build your personal brand, this video is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify your objectives. The first step in creating a successful social media campaign is to identify your objectives. What is it that you want to achieve with your campaign? Are you looking to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or drive sales? Once you have a clear understanding of your objectives, you can start to develop a strategy that will help you achieve those goals. Step 2. Know your audience. The second key element of a successful social media campaign is to know your audience. Who are you trying to reach with your campaign? What are their interests, pain points, and motivations? By understanding your audience, you can create content that resonates with them and speaks to their needs. Step 3. Craft your message. Once you know your objectives and your audience, the next step is to craft your message. Your message should be tailored to your audience and should clearly communicate the value that you're offering. This could be in the form of a compelling headline, a catchy tagline, or an engaging piece of content. Step 4. Choose your platforms. The next step is to choose the platforms where you're going to promote your campaign. Depending on your objectives and your audience, you might choose to focus on one platform or use a combination of different platforms. For example, if you're targeting a younger audience, you might want to focus on Instagram and TikTok, while if you're targeting a more professional audience, LinkedIn might be a better choice. Step 5. Plan your content. Once you've chosen your platforms, the next step is to plan your content. This could include everything from blog posts and videos to social media posts and advertisements. Make sure that your content is aligned with your objectives and your message, and that it's tailored to each specific platform. Step 6. Execute and monitor. The final step is to execute your campaign and monitor your results. This involves posting your content, engaging with your audience, and tracking your metrics to see how your campaign is performing. Based on your results, you can make adjustments to your strategy and content to optimize your campaign and achieve your objectives. And there you have it. The key elements of creating a successful social media campaign. By following these steps and putting in the work, you can create a campaign that resonates with your audience and drives real results. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content like this.